Hi there, students. Docile, an adjective. Docilely, the adverb. And docility. Or also, I've heard docileness as well, but I prefer docility. Okay, if someone or an animal is docile, it means it's not aggressive, it's relaxed, it's easy to control. So maybe people dream of having docile, obedient children. But I think if children are docile, then there's probably something wrong with them. Either that or they're afraid, because I think this is the thing in children. They need to explore to find out about life. Dictators want a docile population who don't complain no matter what the dictator does. Yeah, people that comply, that are obedient, that are meek and submissive. Yeah, so he docilely stood there waiting for my instructions. Yeah, the dog was much more docile after it had been fed. So docile, ready to be instructed, ready to be directed, obedient, subservient. Yeah, somebody who is controlled or supervised very easily. They're very easy to manage. I think being too docile is not good for you. You need to be to think about things, and if you think it's good, then comply docilely. But if you think it's bad, not at all. So I think the opposite of docile is defiant, rebellious, willful. Yeah, but somebody who's docile, they're compliant, they're very malleable, they're very tractable, they're very easy to persuade. Okay, so docile, docility. Yes, does a teacher want an obedient, docile class? Well, probably. Although I think it's good for them to have some energy and some spirit as well. So somebody who's docile is very pliant. They're very biddable. It's easy to get them to do things. So a docile horse is easy to ride, but maybe this isn't the strongest or the fastest. This is one who's easily controlled. Maybe the alpha male in a pack of dogs is the least docile, while the others are more docile. Yeah, so calm in manner, easy to control. So the more docile somebody is, the less proactive they are, and I think, well, yeah, docile. Companies want their workers to be docile and do exactly what they say. Well, yeah, but in that case they don't think for themselves. Okay, so docile, not effectively just doing what you're told, obeying instructions. Let's see, docile. As to formality, I think I'd give it a 5 in formality. Docility, maybe a 5.5, but both of them use absolutely anywhere. There's no problem with the formality. And then I guess this comes from Latin, docilus, from docere, to teach. Yeah. In Spanish, there's a word docile, meaning docile itself. So, yeah, if somebody is docile, they are easier to teach. They're not always asking questions. Why? Why is it like that? No, it's like that because it's like that. No, I'd much rather have people who question things. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Docile.